The International Cricket Council (ICC) is the global governing body for international cricket and the organizer of the sport's highest-profile events. It began in 1909 as the Imperial Cricket Conference formed by England, Australia, and South Africa, and over decades it expanded, admitted more countries, and rebranded as the ICC to manage a truly global sport. As of 2025, ICC comprises 110 member countries, including 12 full members, nations with test status, and many associate members. These are regionally grouped under Africa, Americas, Asia, including the Asian Cricket Council, East Asia Pacific, and Europe for development, qualification pathways, and representation in governance, which affects who votes on major policy. ICC's headquarters are in Dubai, UAE, from where a professional secretariat executes day-to-day operations. Governance is exercised through a board with the chair, a powerful Chief Executives Committee, CEC, composed of CEOs of member boards, and specialist committees like the Cricket Committee, Men's and Women's, Finance and Commercial Affairs, Events, Code of Conduct, Anti-Corruption, Medical Anti-Doping, Audit, Membership and Governance Committees. For example, Jay Shah was unanimously elected as ICC Chair effective 1 December 2024, bringing in strategic leadership, while Sanjog Gupta took office as ICC CEO on 7 July 2025, becoming the seventh person to hold that role. These leadership roles, Chair for Political Strategic Direction, CEO for Operational Delivery, form the core of ICC's structure. ICC does not make the laws of cricket. That power belongs to the Marylebone Cricket Club, MCC, yet ICC sets and enforces the international playing conditions, how the laws are applied in tests, ODIs, T20s, approves innovations like doctors' protocols, concussion substitutes, and rules on use of new technologies or materials via its cricket committees, and then implements them through the board and CEC. ICC stages the sport's biggest tournaments, the Men's and Women's Cricket World Cups, T20 World Cups, the World Test Championship Final, and age group global competitions. The events department handles host selection, scheduling and match operations. Simultaneously, the Finance and Commercial Affairs unit negotiates global media and sponsorship rights, which provide most of ICC's revenue. How this revenue is shared among member boards is a major political issue due to the fact that broadcast income is hugely concentrated in a few large markets. On integrity and discipline, ICC operates a comprehensive system. Its anti-corruption unit, ACU, works globally to educate, investigate and prosecute corruption, match fixing, illegal approaches, etc. Under the ICC Anti-Corruption Code, its anti-doping and medical units follow international standards, WADA etc., and Code of Conduct matters, player behavior etc. are handled via match referees, judicial commissioners, panels, sanctions, fines, suspensions, bans, with appeal routes. Match officials, elite umpires, referees panels, are selected, performance monitored and appointed for major fixtures. Technology protocols and rules for in-match behavior are supervised by the cricket committees, ensuring consistency. Some lesser-known but verified facts: there is an independent oversight group that reviews ACU operations to ensure checks and balances. The Code of Conduct Commission includes prominent legal figures to maintain fairness. And although MCC owns the laws, ICC's playing conditions frequently adapt them in ways many fans don't realize, for example, ball swap rules, fielding restrictions, etc. There have also been long-standing debates inside ICC about revenue sharing, particularly during the Big Three era, the balance of power between big boards, like BCCI, ECB, CA, and smaller boards, and tensions between bilateral cricket schedules versus ICC tournament calendars.